Welcome back for another Fetch AI price update video where I will be sharing the areas that Fetch AI needs to continue holding above in the next coming hours, give you my pullback target areas and also my long-term Elliot analysis which I'm expecting to play out in the next bull market. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fetch AI is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above a significant area of support at around the $0.3 mark, and as long as you continue holding above it, there are chances that we can get another massive push to the upside to resistance at around the $0.39 mark, and a break above the $0.39 mark with a retest. Then we can easily see Fetch AI get above the $0.43 mark in the next coming hours. And before I get further into the short term areas that I'm expecting Fetch AI to hit in the next coming hours, allow me to first give you my long-term Elliot analysis, where you can see that Fetch AI gave us a bear market low at around the $0.0525 mark before we picked in a 5-wave structure to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the $0.61 mark, completing the formation of this wave 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that gave us a bit of a pullback in this ABC corrective structure into the minimum target area highlighted on the chart using this red target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for this wave 2. And Fetch AI is now ready for a massive pump in the formation of this wave 3. And the minimum target areas for that wave 3 can be given using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the wave 3 at the fib level 1.618. And that is above the $1 mark. So there are high chances that in the next bull market, Fetch AI can easily get above the $1 mark. So that is what I'm expecting on the long term on the Fetch AI chart. And zooming back on the charts, on the 4-hour chart, to give you the short-term target areas that we can easily hit in case Fetch AI continues to see further weakness in the next coming hours. And that means that there are chances that at some point Fetch AI is going to lose its significant area of support at around the $0.3 mark. And in case such a movement plays out, we lose that significant area of support, then we can expect further pullback to the next key area of support at around the $0.3 mark, where we can find support and then get a massive push to the upside. Maybe get above the $0.33 mark once more. And also basing my analysis using the Elliot wave structures here on the charts, you can see that there's this micro Elliot wave count in blue, where I'm terming this as a wave 1, then a wave 2. Then we saw an impulsive move in the formation of this wave 3, hitting our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. And there are high chances that in the next coming hours, we are going to continue seeing further pullback in the formation of this wave 4. Minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5. And that is between the $0.319 mark and the $0.2965 mark. So there are chances that once we lose the $0.33 mark, which is support, expect a pullback into this red target area, an area within which we can find a support and get a massive reversal to the upper side. And the worst case scenario is that in case we lose this red target area and also lose support at around the $0.295 mark, then we can expect further pullback to the next key area of support at around the $0.25 mark, and a break below the $0.25 mark. Then we can consider a more bearish scenario here on the chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I hope that video was of much help to you.